Zodiac sign Aries. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac, and that's pretty much how those born under this sign see themselves, first. Aries are the leaders of the pack, first in line to get things going. An Aries prefers to initiate rather than to complete. Do you have a project needing a kickstart? Call an Aries, by all means. The leadership displayed by Aries is most impressive, so don't be surprised if they can rally the troops against seemingly insurmountable odds. They have that kind of personal magnetism. An Aries won't shy away from new ground, either, a bundle of energy and dynamism, like a Pied Piper, leading people along with its charm and charisma. The symbol of Aries is the ram, and that's both good and bad news. Impulsive Aries might be tempted to ram their ideas down everyone's throats without even bothering to ask if they want to know. You're not likely to convince the ram to soften up. Aries are blunt and to the point. Much of Aries' drive to compete and to win comes from its cardinal quality. Cardinal signs love to get things going, and Aries exemplifies this even better than Cancer, Libra or Capricorn. Aries is ruled by Mars. Taking a peek at Roman mythology, we find that Mars was the god of war. Our man Mars was unafraid to do battle, and much the same can be said for Aries. They are bold, aggressive and courageous. Rams are also, for the most part, independent and well aware of their own interests in a given situation. At times, their approach may be construed as arrogant and domineering, but it takes a lot of focus to be a leader. Sadly, Aries won't usually be around for the final victory, defeat. Never, they often bolt to the next project before the first one is done. The element associated with Aries is fire, enthusiasm and a burning desire to play the game. Aries love physicality, they'll jump into the fray full force and will contribute much in the process. Some of their decisions may later prove to have been hasty, but they never regretted taking a shot. Making things happen is what it's all about to these folks. Aries are also unafraid of stepping onto new terrain. They may appear arrogant when they take on the world, but they'll be quick to tell you it's the only way to go. Oh, and on the subject of arguing, it's the ram who will have the last word, so save your breath. Aries plays as hard as they work. They are happiest in a spirited soccer match or engaging in the martial arts. In the game of love, the ram's ardor is unquestioned, although Aries can also be playful and romantic with their mate. With Aries ruling the head, face and brain, they need to be on the lookout for headaches and are well served to take the occasional deep breath. The ram's color is bright red, a sign of the fire that breathes within. The great strength of the Aries born is in their initiative, courage and determination. They love to get things going and are fearless. Dynamism and competitive spirit add considerably to any of their endeavors.